everyone, what is the positive solution to this equation? We have 4x squared plus 12x equals 135. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 135 from both sides of the equation. And that's going to give you minus 135 equals 0. So because that would be 0 and you just subtract it there. Now, looking at this 135, and we know we're going to have to factor this because it's quadratic. And we try to do it without the quadratic formula. I know there's only two factors, whole factors, that divides 125. That's going to be 9 and 15. So I'm just going to put them right here. And now my factors of 4 are either going to be 4 and 1 or 2 and 2, because 2 and 2 make that. Now, if we have kind of a large number or small, I would use the 4 and 1, but I'd like to start with the numbers that are closer together. So I'm going to go ahead and write 2x and 2x. Now, we have everything set. We have this first term and we have the last term pretty much set up except for the signs. We need this middle term. So I'm going to just look at this without putting in the signs right now. We need positive. And I know this number, if I multiply those two, would give me 30. This would give me 18. So I want my bigger number to be positive and my smaller number to be negative. And it looks like with this first try that we got it, because if you FOIL this out, you get 2x times 2x gives you 4x squared. Then you multiply these two and you get 30x. Multiply these two minus 18x. That does give you your 12x is what we needed. And then, of course, these two multiplied to negative 135. So since we have our factors here, we set them both to 0. So we're going to set 2x minus 9 equals 0. And 2x plus 15 equals 0. So you add 9 to both sides, you get 2x equals 9. Subtract 15, you get 2x equals negative 15. Divide both sides by 2, you get x equals 9 halves. And this one's going to be x equals negative 15 halves. Now, what do they want? They want the positive solution. So this is our positive solution. If you simplify this, you know 2 goes into 9 4 times with 1 left over. So that would be 4 and 1 half. And, or you could write it as 4.5. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.